Hello, it's Bernadette Jansen from the School of Renovating, and today's tip is around DIY. Now, I was the DIY queen. I have done everything from, tiling miles of tiles to tying Rio. But it was only when we gave up DIY that we became truly profitable. And the reason being is when you are into do-it-yourself, two things. You tend not to be strategic enough about the property that you buy, okay? And the second thing is you don't factor in the cost of the work that you do yourself. You just think, I can do that, so I don't have to budget for it. And basically what that means is you end up buying a property to renovate that doesn't have sufficient margin in it for you to be able to pay your trades and make a decent profit. And so what you end up doing is working for nothing, okay? So nobody wants to do that. So definitely you need to make sure that you buy property that has sufficient margin in it that you can afford to get quality work done by trades and to make a profit. I hope that was helpful, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our videos so that you're the first to be notified when we create a new one. Thank you.